everybody, this is Dave with Dabomb Smokes. Look at what I got here. I got a Weber Smoky Joe.
That's Jumbo Joe, Doofus.
I bought this myself. So I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to use it. I know y'all don't want to watch me put this together, so I'm going to get it together and I'll be back. Alright guys, it took me about 45 minutes to put it together. It wasn't too hard. It's got a nice size grate, and it spins real easy too, so I can do a reverse sear. The bottom vent, and also got one on top too. So, and it fits right on the tabletop. This table's a little bit high. I'll have to find something a little lower to put it on. Okay, we got the initial burn in. I'm going to let this burn till it gets real hot. That ought to cook any of the manufacturing oils that are in the grill, it being new and all. And after that, we'll be ready to cook on it. Well, it's the next day, folks. I did my burn in yesterday, and I'm going to do a cook on it today. So I'll show you how I've got this thing set up. I've got my basket of charcoal here with a couple pieces of apple wood underneath. On this side, I'm going to grill my pork chops.